Welcome back to AI Machine Mind, where we explore everything AI. In a fascinating convergence of artificial intelligence and robotics, researchers at the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology are pioneering the creation of a humanoid pilot named Pivot. Pivot is designed to operate aircrafts without necessitating any alterations to the existing cockpit setup. This innovation marks a significant step toward a future where technology-driven automation could redefine various aspects of aviation and beyond. Pivot is no ordinary robot. It embodies the sophisticated fusion of advanced engineering, AI, and intricate dexterity. Equipped with articulated arms and fingers, the robot exhibits a remarkable level of precision and skill in manipulating flight controls, mimicking the actions of a human pilot. Its capabilities are further enhanced by the integration of camera eyes, which allow it to effectively monitor both the internal and external conditions of the aircraft while assuming control. At the heart of Pivot's operation lies its ability to comprehend and execute commands, transforming complex cockpit interactions into seamless actions. An associate professor of electrical engineering at the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and AMP Technology explains that Pivot possesses an extensive memory capacity. This enables it to memorize a vast array of JEPs and aeronautical navigation charts from around the world, a feat that remains beyond the reach of human pilots. Human pilots may need to adapt their habits when transitioning between different aircraft models. Pivot can be trained to handle individual plane configurations with ease, making it a versatile and adaptable solution. A significant contributor to Pivot's advancements is the integration of large language models, LLM, into its programming. These models, akin to the technology behind chat, empower the robot to read, understand, and respond to instructions in a human-like manner. This recent leap in AI technology has bestowed Pivot with the ability to perform complex flight operations. Significantly, responding promptly in emergency scenarios, a capability that often surpasses human performance. Notably, the robot's prowess extends beyond routine operations, as it is capable of generating real-time secure flight paths based on the aircraft's dynamic status. Pivot transcends its role as a mere aircraft pilot and serves as a technological bridge between aviation and robotics. Beyond its humanoid form, the robot can establish direct connections with aircraft systems, facilitating seamless communication. Through voice synthesis, Pivot can interact with air traffic controllers and cockpit personnel, potentially evolving into a reliable pilot or first officer in the future. Interestingly, the humanoid design of Pivot holds potential far beyond the cockpit. Pivot stands at a height of 5.24 feet and weighs 143.3 pounds. The robot's human-like dimensions enable it to undertake a variety of tasks conventionally carried out by humans, such as driving cars, operating tanks, and even piloting ships. This adaptability underscores the versatility of the humanoid form, which, despite not being the most efficient, aligns well with the existing infrastructure and tools designed for human interaction. While Pivot is still in the developmental stages, its creators envision its completion by 2026. The project's genesis was rooted in the collaboration between engineers and researchers, propelled by the pursuit of harnessing AI and robotics to redefine traditional roles. As the realms of AI and robotics continue to evolve, Pivot stands as a testament to the transformative potential of technology. Heralding a future where automation may redefine various human tasks, both in the skies and on the ground. With applications spanning aviation, military endeavors, and beyond, Pivot emerges as a groundbreaking achievement poised to reshape how we perceive and interact with technology. The emergence of Pivot stands as a testament to the remarkable convergence of artificial intelligence and robotics. This humanoid pilot is equipped with intricate dexterity and a profound understanding of flight operations. Pivot holds the promise of reshaping not only the aviation industry but also broader domains of human endeavor. Pivots has the ability to seamlessly navigate aircraft controls and process complex flight data. Its integration of large language models marks a pivotal step towards achieving unprecedented levels of automation and adaptability. It effortlessly interacts with flight systems, communicates with air traffic controllers, and memorizes aeronautical charts. The boundaries of what technology can achieve in aeronautics and beyond are being redefined. Beyond its immediate application in aviation, Pivot presents a profound implication for the future of human-technology interaction. Its humanoid form, while not the most efficient, demonstrates the power of leveraging existing infrastructure designed for human use. This opens doors to diverse roles, from piloting ships to operating land vehicles, where human involvement was once deemed indispensable. The development of Pivot also underlines the transformative potential of collaborative efforts between academia, engineering, and research institutions. Pivot signifies a groundbreaking symbol of a future where human ingenuity and machine intelligence harmonize. Be sure to like and subscribe to AI Machine Mind, where we explore the way we interact with AI technology and envision the possibilities of the future.